see? You see how good it is? This one is a versatile one, so I love it. And here, from leaves, one is here. It can also act as a modeling costume and a dancing costume. You see how beautiful it is. Hello, good people. Good evening to you all. It is evening here in Kenya, that is East Africa, from Village. I want to show you how we turn the millet stalk into a costume. So I have to make them at a given length and then sew them. See? This is a CBC project, and they were told to, with the help of their parents, they come up with a modeling costume. So, in my creativity, I need to make a skirt from these sorghum stalks. Keep tuned, good people, and you see the final result. Meanwhile, I have to shape it, make them in a better shape. I'm going to use a needle. After I finish cutting them into one shape, I will use a needle and thread to pin them together into a skirt. So keep tuned and keep following, and you'll give me a final answer. I am here with a sorghum stalk. You see, these are sorghum stalk, and sorghum stalk has a lot of benefit. You can recycle this sorghum stalk after harvesting your sorghum. You make a baby coat from it. My mom knows how to make a baby coat from it. I don't know, one of these days I will convince her to show me. You can make a baby coat from this. You can also make an instrumental, a music instrument. Sorry, you can also make a music instrument from it. That's the kayamba. Kayamba is also made from this sorghum stalk. For those who know the kayamba, it is made from this maize stalk, from this sorghum stalk. And this evening, I want to take you along on how Anne can get a modeling costume from this sorghum stalk. So there is a CBC classes, and a daughter of my cousin's daughter needs a modeling costume. So I'm going to make her one from this sorghum stalk, and I started by aligning them, cutting them into similar length or same length, as you can see. And then, oh sorry, what am I saying? So our skirt, we are going to use this sorghum stalks to make a modeling costume. Here we have the sorghum stalk. Also need here thread. Also need a needle, and also a razor blade. So I've already sliced or cut this maize stalk into a given length. I will continue winding up so that I can start the process of joining the stalks together. As you can see from here, this is how you do it. You put them in one length. You know, my mom knows how to make a baby coat, but she's so busy. I don't know. From the comment section, have you ever tried to make a baby coat from this sorghum stalk? And if yes, let me know. Do you know how to make a kayamba? That is an African music instrument called kayamba. Yeah, this is the same thing they used to make all the reeds one. So if you are a farmer, everything doesn't go to a waste once you finish harvesting. For real, I've come to realize, be it sorghum, be it maize stalk, it is a feeder. It is a feeder crop. Let's talk about finger millet. Finger millet, you can as well make the stalks are animal feed, and also they're used to model or to make a traditional tray bowl. Is it boil or bowl? A traditional bowl. My great grandma used to make the traditional bowl. So I think I'm done with lining them. So once you are done, you do this to cut them into shape. I would have used a panga, but I prefer this. I will align them once I'm done and cut it into the length that I need, my skirt length. So I think these ones are enough, but it should be as closely packed as possible. Once you are done with the cutting them into even pieces, you need to do this. Use a razor blade. You make holes. You see, you make holes this way so that you can chop direct. Hello, good people. Good evening to you all, wherever you're watching this video from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is TendeAfricavlogs. To the returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted, good people. And those who are new here, consider to hit that subscription button, not forgetting the notification bell to alert you whenever I upload a new video. Now, my people, today is another evening. We started yesterday in making a costume, a modeling costume for the CBC classes here, back here in Kenya. That's we have a syllabus called CBC. Had been given an assignment by their teachers with the help of their parents to come up with a modeling costume. So today we are ongoing. I told you yesterday we were making a skirt, a modeling skirt from the sorghum stalk. Here is the skirt. This is the final result. I showed you yesterday from the beginning. You've seen how it is made. You just make holes on these stalks, then use a thread and also a laser braid to help you out. So I've been doing it off camera because of time, and I have the final result. Here we have now our final result is we have the skirt. You have to do it this way. But if you need me to repeat again, I'll show you. Just request from the video. So here is our skirt. This is our final skirt. Here it is. I need just to trim it to the desired length that I need it to be. Then I can come and show you. I have come up with 3 costumes. I have here also leaves from my favorite flower here in the village. From I do have leaves from one of the flowers here in the compound. I will just modify to see whether it can fit. And I have also banana leaves. I think this one here, this is a banana leaf. I think this one is the one I'm going to show you how to do it. From just do this way. Oh my goodness, I've done it in the wrong way. I have to do this way. You see how it is? Then start plucking this way, in a simpler way. Just this way, you have to do it. It is a bit easier compared to the sorghum costume. This one is a bit easier. So you see how it looks? Already have a costume. You see? So we just tie it here, round, and also make a skirt. So I need to pluck it into small pieces. This is my second costume, my third costume, that is. I need to put them on so that you people can rate and choose for me which costume I should give them to go and do modeling with, or they just go with the 3 costumes and their judges will judge them, as well as my online family. Help me out. Help me to judge. Rate out the outfit. I need to put them on so that you can rate out the outfit. Meanwhile, continue watching, subscribing, commenting, and even sharing. How about my hair? How does it look? This is my natural hair. I'm from doing some treatment. My niece work, who has just put some flour on my hair. How does it look? She told me she should be combing my hair. I just trimmed it. I do like trimming it so that it can grow back. Meanwhile, let's make a skirt and other costume. Let me put on the costumes so that you can rate them good. But it is okay. Just pleat it. You see how it looks? Just simple. Let me put them on so that you can rate it and tell me the best costume. Here is my costume number 1. Rate it. That is costume number 1. Costume number 2, here we go. Yeah, it can also act as a modeling costume and a dancing costume. You see how beautiful it is? Do you love this? Made from sorghum stalk, and trim it to any length you need. And it is also, it can act also as a shaker, a modeling costume, a dancing costume at the same time. Rate it. You see? You see how good it is? This one is a versatile one, so I love it. You can also add African Ankara. See, you can. You see, you do this way. It acts as a shaker at the same time a skirt. That's my outfit. My CBC class outfit. This is my favorite of them all, and I love it because it is versatile. I do love it because it is versatile. You can use it as a modeling skirt. You can also use it as a costume, a dancing costume. You do this way. When you do this way, you dance. You're making noise, not even making noise. This reeds also used for making kayamba. So good people, those are my 3 favorite outfits. Kindly rate them. Let me know from the comment section.